Diego.
I got 30 bands on me, and the bitch up in a headlock, dead stock kicks, and the
I know you're probably wondering what is going on in this video. This isn't my normal type of content, but since the F30 is down and we can't make nothing on the M54 with no title, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a more personal side of my life and a day in the life of a mobile mechanic. Really will just be a week in the life and like a vlog. Like I said, I'm just doing this since I can't make no content on my cars. I know you're tired of seeing me work on that piece of shit F30. Welcome to the kitchen. If you're unconfident in yourself, I'm telling you, get yourself in the gym, put yourself in uncomfortable situations, and you're gonna feel so much better about yourself, and you're gonna feel so glad that you did it. True happiness to life doesn't come from materialistic things. Well, if I was to get $1 million tomorrow and my dad wasn't here and I had $1 million, but I didn't have my dad to call, I would rather trade that any day to have my dad to talk to, because that means a lot more to me than any amount of money in the world. Never choose a path in life that you don't wanna go down because you just want the materialistic things that come with it, because the happiness from those things aren't going to last forever. I believe everyone has a true happiness in things in life that you may not know yet, and it may take 20 years from now to figure out, but keep trying different things. And if you don't like what you did, it wasn't meant to be, you can always try something else. If you have any idea of something you love and you want to do, chase that idea, chase it right now, do not wait, take the risk. No successful person in this world got to where they were without taking a huge risk. Never give up on yourself and keep going. Chase what you want and what makes you happy, because your dreams aren't going to last forever. Your life isn't going to last forever, and neither is this moment. So cherish this moment with the people around you and what you truly want to achieve in life. I slack on a daily basis and could do better myself, but I'm trying to improve every single day, praying to God to be with me on this journey, and I encourage all of y'all to do the same. Mass gainer, a little banana. We are still waiting on the title for this bad girl. The next video will definitely be of the single turbo install when it's back.
They know I'm a big bounce, got a big bounce in this bitch. They know I'm a big talker, have my big body and they shit.
As you see, we just pulled up to Swift Motorsports in Douglasville, Georgia. We're one of the most honest mechanics and the most trustworthy with your car. Swift Motorsports will pop up as that on the screen right here. But I did want to go ahead and show a car we've been working on this week. I'll pop up his ad on the screen as well. Shout out to Danny. Your car is about to come out sick. This is Danny's E92 335i right here. He just retired his E90 335i. Main reason is because it was all-wheel drive, so he decided to sell the E90 and get this E92. Completely stock car though, stock turbos, engine bay was completely stock, exhaust is stock, interior stock, is a bone stock car. That's not what we care about. Let's go ahead and open this engine bay and show you what I'm saying, and comment how you feel about the blazing fire powder coat choice he went on the intake manifold and turbo. Stupid. Wasn't too big on the orange, but after seeing this in person, it looks a lot better than I thought. I think this is gonna come out great, Danny. That is enough clips of Danny's car. Comment how y'all think that powder coat looks though. We'll definitely get some more content when it gets finished up. Give you a sneak peek to when we do swap it. It is actually single turboed as well. It's gonna look really good in this car, the black interior with the black wheels.
She got camera shy.
Remember, it could always be worse. Be thankful for what you have. Even if you don't have designer, just be thankful you got clothes. Even if you don't have a Bugatti, be thankful you just have a car. It could always be worse. That's how you gotta be towards life. Always have the glass half full. Finally just got the starter put back in. Looking crazy right now. That starter was a pain in the ass. There's no wonder why there's no videos on a 2013 Caprice on how to do the starter replacement. We're about to put the cap back on, wrap this shit up, start it up, and see how it's sounding. Wanted to show you someone on the channel y'all have already seen before if you haven't already, her riding in the M54 when we got it, the $1,000 BMW. Roll that clip right here. As you just saw in that clip, my wonderful Mimi. But make sure you love your family that's all around you, not even your grandma, your uncle, your cousin, your brother, everyone. Make sure you cherish your time with them. Like I said earlier in the video, no amount of money is worth trading the time, any conversation you can have with your family or even your friends around you. But we're gonna see Mimi a lot more on the channel, especially when the title comes in for the $1,000 BMW, because she's ready to ride in it again with the big single turbo.
Yes, yes.
Mimi said it was too slow, full bolt on, so that's why we got the single turbo. We had to get it ready for her. Just when y'all thought it was over, it's just getting started.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit this. I guess I could take one too.